BigCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. In this video, we're reviewing the BigCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator, covering its features, strengths, and weaknesses to help you determine if it's the right tool for your e-commerce business. As always, links to the platform and related resources are included in the description for easy access. The BigCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a powerful tool that connects your BigCommerce store with top dropshipping marketplaces like AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, and more. One of its standout features is bulk product importing, which allows you to add products to your store in just a few clicks, complete with optimized titles, descriptions, and images. It also offers automated order processing, streamlining the fulfillment process by syncing orders directly with suppliers and updating tracking information automatically. This tool is designed for both beginners and experienced sellers, offering a user-friendly interface for easy setup and advanced features like real-time inventory syncing and price automation rules. These features ensure that your store remains updated with accurate stock levels and pricing, reducing the risk of overselling or losing profit margins due to supplier price changes. Additionally, the integrator supports multi-channel selling, enabling you to manage your BigCommerce store alongside other platforms seamlessly. Strengths of the BigCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator include its automation capabilities, which save time and minimize manual errors, and its ability to integrate with multiple marketplaces, giving you access to a wide range of products and suppliers. The tool also offers robust reporting and analytics, allowing you to track performance and optimize your sales strategy. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. The platform's subscription cost can be higher compared to similar tools, especially when accessing advanced features. Some users have also reported occasional delays in syncing orders during high-traffic periods, which can disrupt operations. Furthermore, while the integrator provides excellent functionality, it may require a learning curve for complete beginners unfamiliar with managing multiple channels. In conclusion, the BigCommerce Dropshipping Marketplace Integrator is a versatile and efficient tool for automating and scaling your dropshipping business. It's particularly valuable for sellers looking to expand their reach across multiple platforms. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore this integrator further and see how it can elevate your e-commerce operations.